Hey guys, it's Jerome from Local Biz Pro, bringing you the easiest way to grab B2B leads from me, Jerome, at Local Biz Pro.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Google and we're going to look up two plugins. We're going to type in Chrome extension, then we're going to come over to Chrome Web Store and we're going to type in Location Guard. Okay, and what this is going to do is going to bring us to this plugin here, this extension. We're going to go ahead and install that. Once you're done installing that, we're going to go ahead and get this other plugin. It's called Data Scraper. Okay. Easy web scraping. So go ahead and install that. And then what I want you to do is pin these up here. So you click the extensions here. You can click the pin on or off. I want you to put those on. We're going to open up a new page and we're going to clear the last page. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Location Guard and we're going to go over to Fix Location right here. And then what I want you to do is just back away from the map here and pick your desired location. So for this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to New York. We're going to click. We're going to leave that pin there. We're going to close that down. Okay. And what I like to do is I like to pause location. Click that pause location, go back, check everything, make sure it's perfect. Click that just a couple more times just to make sure I got it all good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to think of a industry that we want to go ahead and get a bunch of leads from, right? Because the reason why we're doing this is because if you're not in that location, Google's not going to show you this right here. What I'm going to get you to do is quickly go ahead and make sure that that's on fixed location, but Google's not going to show you this local map. Okay, if you're not in that location, it's just going to continue to show you yours no matter what you type with that. If you do like plumbing services in Miami, it's still going to show you it's going to show you all the places in your local area. So with this process, we're able to connect to the maps in New York and get all these local businesses here. So go ahead and click Data Scraper. Okay, so what you're going to be looking for is just any sort of public recipe that you want to use. Let's use this one here. I've used this before. Okay, and what's happening right now is it's just loading in this recipe that the community made. So someone made this already, and then we're going to take a look, make sure it looks good. And you want to check that and make sure that you got everything here that you want to kind of grab. It's looking great. Then we're going to click this button right here. It's called Next Page Automation. Pick as many pages as you want. You can only go down to about 5 or 6 seconds, or Google will kind of catch wind of what you're doing. And you hit the scrape button and watch it do its magic. It's pretty awesome. If you look right here, these rows, they're just going to keep on climbing. And you can literally grab thousands and thousands of leads. It's pretty awesome. This has been the easiest way to grab business to business leads by Local Biz Pro.